back to this video. My name is Leo Martinez. Welcome back. I posted a video a few minutes earlier. I was running short of time. I have 5 minutes on this screencast file which I'm using, but we're gonna continue, and I'm gonna give you more examples on how to solve. Okay, so let's flip page. Okay, so now let's try to solve this one. 10x minus 40 equals 120. So, as I tell you, if you have big numbers, it does not matter. You will still reduce them as they're supposed to. So, let's solve this one. So, let me write down the rules here. Number one is do the inverse of adding or subtracting, and number two is doing the inverse multiplying or dividing. So now since we have subtracting here, this time we're gonna have to add by 40 because we want to do the inverse. And what I do to one side, I do to the other. Add 40 here. So these two cross out. 10x comes down. And 120 plus 40 is 160. And we're gonna do our last step, which is do the inverse multiplication, which is dividing. So it's gonna be 10. What I do to one side, I do to the other. Cross these out. We're gonna do top in, bottom out. So 10 times 1 is 10. We bring the 6 and the 0 down. 10 times 6 is 60. So it's basically going to be x equals 16. And I may tell you, they might be negatives, which I'm going to give you one problem that we're going to solve with negatives, because on 1 and 2 step equations, there will be negatives. I promise you there will be negatives. So let me show you how to solve a negative one, because most people get confused on how to solve that one. But I'm going to teach you so you're going to get confused. So let's say we have negative 5 z plus 40 equals 60. So what we are going to do here is we're going to basically follow the same rules. Step 1, do the opposite of adding or subtracting. And step 2, we're going to do the opposite of multiplying or dividing. So since we have a adding, we have to do the opposite and subtract. So we're going to subtract 40, and what I do to one side, I do to the other. We cross these out, and 60 minus 40 is 20. We bring the negative 5, z down, and what we're going to do is we're going to divide by negative 5. Well, basically, what you have to do is to do the opposite of a negative or positive. So these cross out, and it's gonna be either z equals to positive 4 or z equals to negative 4. One of those I will show you in my next video because I'm running out of time. So please like and subscribe down below, and